Thanks for purchasing our product. Now, I will show you how to set up and use this budget spreadsheet. As soon as you open this budget spreadsheet, you will see two tabs, an example tab and a budget tab. The example tab demonstrates how you can set up the spreadsheet, while in the budget tab, I will now walk you through the actual setup process. First, you can double-click on this specific cell to enter your name. Next, clicking on the month section below will open a drop-down list. Simply select your desired month and year from there. Further down, you will see a summary chart section. There is no need for you to manually update anything in this section, as all the values within it update automatically. Please do times, not times, edit, replace, or copy-paste anything into these specific cells. Formulas have been applied to them to help automatically calculate and display your budget figures. If you attempt to edit, replace, or copy-paste anything into these cells, the formulas will be removed, and the spreadsheet will cease to function automatically. When you attempt to edit these specific cells, a pop-up notification will appear. I have protected these cells to prevent you from accidentally altering them. Similarly, all other color-coded cells within the sheet are also protected. However, when you duplicate this budget sheet for a new month, the cells in the duplicated tab will no longer be protected. Therefore, we humbly request that you please refrain from editing, replacing, or copy-pasting anything into the color-coded cells. Below this, in the Income section chart, you can enter your monthly sources of income, along with the budgeted amounts and the actual amounts received. Let's suppose your budgeted amount for Paycheck 1 is $5,000, but you actually receive $4,800. And for Paycheck 2, the budgeted amount is $7,000, and you actually receive $7,000. Whenever you receive your actual amount, you can check the corresponding box. Furthermore, as you update all your budgeted and actual figures, the totals are automatically updated here. This amount also updates automatically in the summary chart and is visually displayed in the visualization chart. In this same manner, you should update all sections according to your specific categories, and this sheet will continue to update automatically for you. I will quickly update all the sections now. As you can see, all the amounts in the summary section have updated automatically, and the chart is also being displayed. Additionally, in the Total Remaining Balance section at the top, the amount shown represents your total monthly income minus your total expenses, leaving you with the remaining surplus. Once the month is complete, you have two options. You can either clear the values in this sheet to reuse it, or you can duplicate it. To duplicate the sheet, you can click on this arrow to create a duplicate copy. You have now successfully duplicated the sheet. In this new copy, first clear the amounts you previously entered, and then select the current month. Remember, when clearing the amounts, please do times, not times, delete or overwrite the color-coded cells. Simply clear the budgeted and actual amounts, and then fill them in again. And that's it. If you encounter any further problems or difficulties, please do not hesitate to contact me on Etsy. Have a great day.